These are the elevators at College of Dupage in Glen Elynn, Illinois. And I finally get to see the campus again for College of Dupage, and I love this school. It's my senior year at COD and going to be graduating in 2024. All right, we'll end it up on email. We're just going to end up on EL. I love the motor to this. Here we are on EL. And that's it. And also you mentioned the main entrance is just right around the corner, including the library's on the second floor. I don't know if you can see that, but it's up there anyways, and including the COD bookstore I went to earlier this morning. Okay, that's it.